Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set default apps in Windows 11. It changed a little bit, but let me go ahead and show you how to do it. Go to search for default apps and click on that. It's quite a different compared to Windows 10, so let me just go to the I have set Microsoft Edge as my default browser for now, and look, everything is pointing to Microsoft Edge. Now let me go back to default apps and select Google Chrome. I want to set Google Chrome as default, so set default. Everything should change, most of it, because PDFs and SVG are still pointing to Microsoft Edge, but you don't need everything pointing to Microsoft. If you want it, you can just click on it and change. So yep, you can do that too. But yeah, this is how you set your default app or default browser in Windows 11. Hope this helped you guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.